This is the Croydon Commemorative Park for the 1956 Olympic torch relay that came through here. Getting ready for a barbie on the Bingy Barbie.
We were travelling down the Bruce Highway.
And that was a nightmare. There were so many under construction bits, and yeah, it's good to get off that.
Yeah, and we've sort of gone inland a bit towards the west, heading into Merriam. We might have a quick look around here, and then we're heading to Eton, trying to find a free camp called Funnel Creek. This is Merriam.
So the weather's turning on us a bit, so we decided to keep away from the coast and get on the other side of the range. It's actually the old beef road, I think they call it, and yeah, hopefully a bit quieter. Should be good.
Yeah.
We've got the harvester over there harvesting the sugar cane. We're going up over the range.
Yep, Mount Eden Range. We're going up and over, heading towards Hazeldean.
Luckily we've got some slow vehicle lanes here, so we can just zoom past.
Do a left turn just after Nemo. It's where you're actually just out the back of Bendigo. It looks exactly like Victoria. Doesn't look anything like Queensland.
The timbers, the gum trees are just so similar.
So we did the Brayside cut-off road, which is really good, down towards the main drag, heading towards Denison Creek, and then on to Funnel Creek. We come up here and turn left. We shouldn't have too far to go.
You've got a train carriage over there.
So you head towards Serena.
It's quite interesting, the trains out here are actually electric, so the infrastructure for that would have been
Good way. This is Denison Creek. Down there, I think.
yeah.
Coming up to a T intersection, you'd come from Serena. This is where you'll be going past. You head to Maryborough. Melbourne.
We're going to overtake or pass on this little bridge.
This is the creek.
There's the Funnel Creek Bridge. It's a one-lane bridge. This is our camp at Funnel Creek. Basically just up the road and into here. It's even got a rubbish bin. We've got this perfect spot here. We've got satellite, we've got solar. There's some sort of a monitoring camera over there, but that doesn't matter because we're not going to do anything wrong. And then over here we've got our Oz barrier set up. So another good reason for having an Oz barrier is you actually can bags a fire, so people know that this is going to be our fire. So yeah, all set up. What do you reckon, Joey?
That doesn't mean you can bag the fire.
Oh no, bags it.
You can bag it, but then other
People can share it.
share.
Well, that's right, but they can't take over.
You have to share.
Of course I share.
You can't just be a hog.
I'm not a hog. How dare she say that?
Call me a cow.
No.
Call you a hog.
Oh, okay, so this is a real stockyard place here. And check out the cruisy sticker there we got from the boys up in Proserpine. So if you're interested in any of their really good surf gear, go to cruisy.com and you'll see that. And look down here. You got climbing trees, you got a rope swing there. Yes, that's very nice. It's not the biggest area, but
It is close to the road, but there's not many cars.
yeah, it's close to the road, but this is sort of out of the way a little bit, so there's not too much traffic, and it's all bitumen in. So we're going to be here for a few days, have a bit of a relax before we move on down to Rockhampton. Getting ready for a barbie on the Bingy Barbie, and yeah, should be a good night.
You hit the tree.
Where is it?
I don't know. There.
These roads are subject to flooding, and they have single lane bridges. Depending on which way you're coming, you have to give way, but they're very narrow, and you're better off slowing down because you wouldn't want to go off the edge or meet a truck like that. This is the Croydon Commemorative Park for the 1956 Olympic torch relay that came through here from Mackay to Rockhampton. Quite impressive. I think the flames got out at the moment.